You see? So we have to learn doctrine before thinking doctrine. The Christian way of life is a supernatural way of life. And because it is supernatural, it requires a supernatural way of execution. Part of this kind of life is the capacity for life, the capacity to live a life pleasing to God. Question is how? By executing the Christian way of life. Live inside the power system of the divine dynasty to fulfill the protocol plan of God. Now remember this, fellow believer. You cannot execute the protocol plan of God if you are carnal. You're outside of the protocol plan of God, but you are saved.